Feel the falling air like becoming golden. Trees that fall away and then unfolded. Autumn leaves embraces, soon they all must fall. Summer green erasing of the winter storm. Here was a bed family of Zion that Josie Westmont had living a fight on the fading days of old. Soon the darkness lies, spirit fire grows bolder.